Hot and muggy and beautiful day today in Trinidad, and more chores to come in my way. Today I'm dealing with a couple of issues. Issue is that my wind instrument, it got moisture and it got corroded. The plate got corroded and it's not displaying the values anymore. Plus the buttons that you are pressing for different functions is not working. So you can see I can't see really the digits. So as I'm trying to deal with that issue, like I took it apart, I opened to see what the problem is. So you can see it's all corroded here at the back and the front. But you know what? This is an instrument that is about 40 years old, and you know, I mean, it did serve its purpose. So while I'm doing this and fixing the instrument, I hear water gushing outside. So here it is, the pipe busted, this hose, the water hose busted. Now, I thought I should just make a little video about that too, because this is about 3-year-old hose, maybe like 2.5-year-old. And it just got busted. It's like Chinese crap, you know. And I mean, I did pay good money. You expect it's going to last for a few years, more than 2.5 years. So okay, it's a quick fix. I'm going to cut the pipe and put another adapter there and tie it down, and then I can put back my water nozzle. But look at this. As I cut the pipe inside, you can see there is a ridge. There's a ridge right there, like that bump there, you can see. So you cannot put a copper pipe or adapter to save it, because it doesn't get tight, and water, it just will spill out. So I don't know, was it designed so you cannot use it anymore? So anyway, I'm gonna try to fix it. I gotta go to the store and get a little adapter so I can put my water hose back. But I mean, why would they do that? That's what the conclusion I'm getting, that they don't want you to use it again. Plus, it busted. I don't know what kind of material is this. You know, it's got a light double and it's got plastic inside. As I say, it did not last at all. So that's why our landfills, they get full of garbage. You see, this is like 40 feet of hose that if I don't fix it, I'm gonna have to trash it. So I don't know, I guess we'll have to be more vigilant for the stuff we are buying the different stores, because reviews, I mean, sometimes even reviews is not enough. You go to the store, you see a product, it looks good, so you expect it's from a legitimate store, you expect it's going to have certain life expectancy. But things now these days, they don't last very long. So here's the thing. This instrument lasted 45 years and it gave us a lot of service. And this one, it couldn't even last more than 2 to 3 years. Cheers. So I went out, I couldn't find any part for the wind instrument, but I did find a part for the female connector. So I'm going to try to fix it. And again, and here is what I mean. You see, when I insert it, I will not get a good seal right there, because it's got that ridge. So I'm going to have to kind of shave it and take it from there.